Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm so excited for you to be here because for today we are going to do the part 2 of our Christmas gift unboxing, and for today we are going to unbox everything from POPMART over here as promised. So I'm going to unbox everything juicy, everything that is good inside this paper bag. So this is my very first blind unboxing, and honestly I'm so excited, and I never imagined that I would be addicted to these very beautiful things. So if you want to find out what's inside all of these, please make sure you watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, is looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like, share, and comment on this video, and kindly follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Okay guys, so just a short story on how this came to be. So honestly guys, I never expected that I would be addicted to this. This has been ongoing I think for over a year now, and again I'm very late to the party. I never imagined, because I keep on telling myself, oh my god, this is not for me, the LABUBU trend is not for me. I even created posts that why I'm not purchasing this, because I feel that for me, if I'm going to add a bag charm on my bag, it would be a micro bag, which I at first initially I prefer. I already have a couple of bag charms, so I said I would never purchase any of those bag charms. But what happened was, so we have a POPMART store here at Mall of Asia, so we have visited the store. When we have entered the store, I was so surprised how cute the POPMART figurines are. So from the monsters, from the crybaby, and all of those things, so they were so cute. I was so enamored, and then I was asking all of the SAs there if I could purchase a pendant or the bag charm plushies from LABUBU. However, they said they don't have any stocks, and they are not really sure when they are going to restock. So after going home guys, I have done an extensive research on where to purchase, how to purchase, and even I visited the official POPMART store here in the Philippines. It's so difficult to purchase the LABUBU monsters direct from the stores. I think the obsession grew from there. I just wanted to have a piece of that bag charm trend, which I don't have, and this is the result. So I have purchased already a number of LABUBU bag charms direct from the stores, and some are online, and this is what I'm going to share to you. Okay guys, I'm really so excited because honestly, this is my very first blind unboxing. I have watched tons and tons of blind unboxing of POPMART items, even this Nomi. I also like to get the Lila, the Lucky Cat. I also love to get a collection or a piece from that collection. So let us check out what we could find. So with the NOMMI Loveliness series collection, so you could get like 6. So these are the cutie pies that you could get, and what I really wanted to get from this one, I wanted Mimi, this is Cukie, and then Mimi. So Mimi is my first or my top choice, the black pussycat over here. I love this one, the sheep. I love also the bear, and maybe this one, but I love this 3 on the bottom. And of course, I would be very lucky if I could get the secret. So for the secret, it's 1/72 chance, just like the LABUBU monster. So let us unbox. So this is the Nomi series, just in case you are not familiar. And this is the back part. So this one, so this is not by POPMART, so this is the creator, so TCY. But just check out the Nomi Loveliness series. I think this is the version 1 if I'm not mistaken. There are a lot of unboxing online, so let us do the unboxing. Okay, so exciting. Okay, okay, there. So there is like a card, but of course I don't want to see the card. So they have this by TCY. So I'm going to show to you guys, and let me know if I got the black cat or maybe the sheep. What color do we have here? The pink, guys. I have seen the pink one. I'm not really sure if I love that. So hopefully this is not the pink one. So 1, 2, 3, Oh my god, just my luck, guys. It's so funny. I got Juju. So Juju is the bear. No, the piglet, the pink pig. So there is a card. Oh my god. So here she is. So there are QR codes at the back. So I'm not sure what the QR codes, maybe later I'm going to check. And of course, we have this. So you could attach this to the bag charm. So let me just do this really quickly. There, so here she is, guys. So first impression, because I have seen this one already when I purchased this inside the mall. So the good thing is the arms can be posed differently, so I could feel something. She has this very fluffy tail. Then the legs can also be posed a little bit. And I think also the different thing about the Labubu bag charm here on the side, as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see there, so this part over here. So if you don't want to use this as a bag charm, you could use this as a necklace, pendant, or even, you know, as a crossbody accessory like this. But for bags, let us try to use it here and see how she would look like. There, so there she is. So I have again Juju. So if you're going to ask me if I'm going to purchase another one, maybe. But I really wanted to get Mimi, the black cat. But this is so cute. So yeah, so this is the very first one. Now let us do the Labubu monsters. I'm really excited. What? Guys, I forgot to mention, so I would just like to add that one of the different features aside from these are the changing eyes of this very cutie pie over here. So as you can see, this is the first one. Then you could rotate the eyes. Let me just try to check. So there, so these are the second. Can you see? So now it's black. And then of course, the third one. There, so which is the cutest, guys? Oh, how cute! She's so cute. Alright, guys, so now let us unbox the Have a Seat Labubu. So these are my very first blind unboxing of the Have a Seat. So I would be unboxing Jens first because he is right beside me and he really wanted to see what we got for him. So here, so again, this is my very first blind unboxing of the Have a Seat Labubu. There, okay. So of course there is a card just like with the Nomi Loveliness. So but I don't want to check it out. So here is what the packaging looks like. So now we are going to rip. So guys, by the way, me personally, which ones do I want to get? So of course, I want to get Baba, I want to get Cuckoo, and I want to get Dada. I want to get everything that has open eyes. And of course, if we are very lucky, so you have 1 in 72 chance to get the secret. So the secret is the brown one. I think that's the Momo, but again, I could be wrong with the name. Okay, so I would be unboxing now. 3, 2, 1. Oh, oh my god, you got a good one. Oh my god. Oh, you're so lucky. Because Yen is right beside me. Oh my god. This is so cute. So we got Dada. Oh my god. And guys, I'm a little bit scared because of course, since the other items that we purchased, they did not come from the same box. So there is a good chance that I may get doubles on my first unboxing. But oh my god, this is so cute. This is one of the ones that I wanted to get. So we have Dada. So her call so let's see. So we have of course here this one, and then we have this. Super nice. Yes, so very good unboxing for the very first try. So just to give you a close-up look, so this is how she looks like. So cutie. So let me just take a closer look because this is the very first time that I'm actually looking at a Labubu monster up close. They're super cute. So let me give this to Yen first so he could inspect, and let's hear what would be his reaction. No, what do you think? Do you like her?
Yes, it's nice.
Is this what you wanted from the Have a Seat?
I'm not really eyeing anything in particular, but I really love what I got.
So we have 3 more, so let us start. So we have a good unboxing, a first good unboxing of the Labubu. So this is the second one. So let us start. Okay. So same thing. I don't want to look at the card first. So what do you think, guys? I'm praying that I would be getting Baba or Cuckoo. But Baba is my very first choice after the Secret. But if I would be getting the Secret, that would be so amazing, right? What do you think? So 3, 2, 1. Oops. That was a I destroyed the packaging. Cute color. So this is, who is she? So I got Sissy. So this is not what I really wanted, but she's still very cute. So as you can see, she's very cute, yeah. Let us compare. So we have here Dada, and then of course Sissy. I love the color. I love the color of this one. It's very neutral. I feel that she would match perfectly with any of the bags that I'll be using her. And I love her smile. What do you think? Yes. So cute. So let us try to check. So yes. And then of course you could move the arms. Oh, that's cute. Super cute. Love. Yeah, she's growing on me. I never knew. Because I really wanted to get the Labubu monsters with open eyes. But she is very cute. And her size, I forgot to mention. So just a comparison with my Nomi. So as you can see, Nomi is very big compared to the Have a Seat. Yay, so cute. So let us move to the next one. Alright, so now let us move on to the third one. So here we have another Have a Seat. Please give me a good one. So let us unbox. Okay, and I wish I could open the packaging really nicely. Because I'm not really sure why I keep on destroying the plastic. Okay. Much better. What color I got? Oh, okay. So I got her. So her name is Zizi. Her name is Zizi. Her color is like light violet or periwinkle. Another one that has closed eyes, but I love the eyebrow detail over here. She's like sleeping. Super cute. You could move her arms, close, open. Super nice. Yeah. So let's do a comparison with, what's the name of this one? CC, and we got ZZ. Okay. So CC and then ZZ. So which one is better and which is your favorite? So she looks a little bit mischievous. What do you think compared to this one? This one, she looks really happy. This one is like, she's planning to do something a little bit mischievous. But both of them are really, really cute. And they're so soft and they're so plush. Okay, yay. Okay, so we got 2, we got 3, and now let us move on to the final one. Okay guys, so the final one, so this is the very last one that I purchased today, Christmas Day, December 25th. So as mentioned earlier, I had the strong gut feeling that they would be restocking this on Christmas Day. When we were inside, they said that they have this and every customer is allowed to purchase at least one. So again, you may be asking me, why did I not purchase the entire 6 in one collection? So they are limiting the customers here. So the very first one, they're limiting to 3, and now they're limiting to 1 per customer. And I'm wishing that I would be getting Baba because she's the one that I really wanted, and of course the Secret. So please pray for me. So I haven't gotten any luck yet with my unboxing. So let us hope and pray that this would be the best one. A little bit of ASMR. So am I doing better with my blind unboxing? So don't want to look on the box yet. The card. Here she is. Okay. 3, 2, 1. What color, guys? What color? Can you see? Oh, it's a different one, but it's not a duplicate. That's good. That's good. It's still not a duplicate. Oh, wait. So we got hehe or hihi. How do you pronounce that? So we got the gray one. We got hehe. Okay, so this is the gray one, the light gray one. As you can see, but her eyes are still closed. So, just to share, the macaron that would be shipped to me would be this color because this is one of my favorite color from the Labubu Monster collection. But everything that I got are the closed eyes. So, what are the chances? Oh my God. So, what do you think? So, we have, this is what? ZZ, kind of forgetting the name. Then Hehe, and then we have, what's her name? I don't know. Her. And then, of course, we have this one. So, we got lucky with this one because she's so cute. But everyone is so cute. Let's try her on our bags. So, let's try my favorite one. So, actually, this is also nice. This is really growing on me because I really love the soft pastel color. So, let's try her on my LV bag. There. Ooh, so nice. Ooh, so cute. So cute, right? Let's try two. There. So we have two. Let's try all of them, guys. 3. And last but not the least. There. That looks so funny, yet it's still so cute. So we got 4. So plus, of course, we have Juju from my Nomi collection. And guys, please stay tuned because there is a part 2. So I'm still waiting for another macaron one. And then of course I have a Twinkle Twinkle plushie. Then of course, who knows, I might be getting another one really soon. So what do you think of our very first Labubu unboxing? Which are your favorite among these? So kindly comment down below. Let me know if you are also addicted to the Labubu bag trend. There, so thank you guys for staying with me today. If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a bear emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like, share, comment on this video and help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. Also, follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. Merry Christmas. Happy 2025. I will see you soon. Bye!